So I'm going to make a berry pie using phyllo dough, but it's like an apple and berry pie. And so I have some frozen berries that I cut up: strawberry, blackberry. In here I have apple and dried cranberries, and I'm gonna add some, that's what, cottage cheese. We have cinnamon there, nutmeg, almond essence because I don't have vanilla extract, and we have some white sugar. You can use brown sugar. I may change to that because I like the caramel taste that the brown sugar gives. And I have my phyllo dough that I'm going to show you how you roll out. But first we need to put these fruits in a pan and just get them to a boil so that it can be nice and soft for the saucepan. I mixed everything, but before I put them in, I actually placed like 3 tablespoons of water in, but the frozen berries will release some juice, but I just want it not to stick. And I'm just gonna cook this for about maybe a couple minutes, 3-4 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the sugar, cinnamon, and all those things up. Now you don't want it to like with a lot of liquid because it's going into pastry. So that's why I'm keeping the liquid minimal. You're gonna put about a tablespoon of the vanilla essence, and it's not strong, it's not an extract, it's essence, and about a teaspoon of cinnamon and like half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and we're gonna then stir that in. And you're gonna give it maybe another 2 to 3 minutes because it will be cooking in the pastry, the phyllo dough itself. Meantime, I did melt my butter and I did pull out my phyllo dough that I'm going to set up. I have a baking pan that I'm going to put some either wax paper or grease paper in it first, and then I'm gonna start setting out my phyllo. So I placed the sugar because it's pretty much ready. I put like 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and then I put a pinch of salt because that's what's gonna help bring out the flavor. This is what it's looking like. You don't want it to with too much liquid because when it has too much liquid, it's going to seep through your phyllo dough and make a mess. So I add the cottage cheese. I'm just boiling it again slightly because I find it has a little too much liquid, and I don't want it to like break up the pastry dough. So just boil it for a little bit to reduce the liquid in it, and then I will so phyllo dough layered with butter a couple times, and you have to be very gentle with it because it actually can break apart very easily. Placing the mixture to a side, and then you're more or less going to just roll it over to seal it. So the one in the center, the bigger one, is the fruit tart, fruit roll, berry, whatever we're gonna call it. I have to figure out a name for the video. And the little tiny ones are actually filled with, and I just roll it like how you may roll like a Swiss roll. I more or less put peanut butter and jelly mixed together. That's just for the kids, a little treat. And then I just roll it up, just put it long way straight across, and I just keep folding it, and then put butter at the end. So I'm gonna bake. The smaller rolls are gonna take about 10 minutes, and this one is gonna take about 30 to 35 minutes.